What is up, people? We're here today in the Windy Peak district. We're actually at Britain's highest pub. Just parking up and stuff. Oh, Joy, you alright? Yeah, I know. A big squad with us today. All the family have come out for my Uncle Merlin's birthday, so have a nice walk in the hills. We're gonna go up to 3 Shires Head, or 3 Shire Heads, and potentially have a swim, but we'll see. But yeah, man, let's get cracking. Look at those views. We're out here, man, amongst it. Yeah.
We're just walking. We don't know where we're going.
We out here. Got Molly and John in the cut. Alright, how you feeling?
Windswept.
Windswept, yeah. I feel that. Take a look at this horse.
Shire horse.
Standing over his land. Nobody's his master. He's his own horse.
It's got bloody reins on, you idiot.
Yeah, that's just for style. They're style reins. It's premium leather. Vinny, what you got there?
Walking stick.
He's a professional. He's a professional. Can't you tell by the socks?
Yeah, the socks are elite.
Yeah, the socks are a part of my personality to make me more.
I like it. You need personality on the mountain. I like the aggression as well.
Yeah, there's no.
Nobody's gonna mess with you.
Oh.
Make sure you document the process.
I am documenting it. There's a fern here. This is a fern. Oh, I'm the best adventurer ever!
In a little quieter section now. Bit of wind cover. Some kind of bunker or something in there.
There's something to do with the sheep or something like that.
You reckon?
Yeah, because the sheep feeding things.
Bridleway boys back again. We're on a public bridleway.
The osses.
Yeah,
I
man.
can't believe I got stung already.
What's this little?
Oh, look at it, Dylan.
Oh, that's a wounder.
That's a nasty one, isn't it?
Multiple dots, that's not what you want.
I told you I got stung loads. Stung on my butt cheek as well.
Yeah, you need to watch how you step in these places. This, don't step in that.
You. Suppose you ain't trodden dog shit, yeah.
I know, yeah. Well, the day is young, so there's always time to tread in shit. Yeah, man, look at the squad. Rolling D. Right, we're gonna stop a second just to appreciate Danny's new bag that she loves.
It's from Mountain Warehouse.
How much was it?
Look, £8 on
8
sale.
quid. Look at that. She loves it.
I've got everything I need in here. It's a small bag. I've got a towel, swimming clothes, clean clothes, a Tesco meal deal.
Somehow the same stuff I've got in my bag fits in her bag.
My purse, cigarettes. I've got everything in there.
I'm happy for you, babe.
I know.
Smashing it.
Oh, there's a little swing.
It's a sheer face. Yeah, look at that little shrimp.
Oh, this is so serious. Careful.
Yeah. Cheers, mate. That's good. Whoa. Look at this, man. Tropical rainforest, this is. I just dropped something. No.
I want to get down. Get down.
You want to get down?
I wanna get
Come on
down.
then, throw it down.
I want to get down here.
Oh, that's mega slippery. The bikers. Big boy. It's actually got sandy
Sunny.
sand on the path. But yeah, look at the views, man. We've had a bit of food, stopped off for some lunch, and the sun's come out for us. So yeah, buzzing with that. But we're gonna walk. We're just walking around this big hill, waiting to find a waterfall and a bridge. We shouldn't be too far off though. So just gonna keep trotting on. Got some cool sort of stone walls going on here. I feel like I'm in Assassin's Creed Valhalla, so pretty happy about that. Supposed to be awful weather today, rain, high winds, but we thought we'd give it a crack anyway. Look at that, man, absolute head case. I nearly fell. Parkour! Little bit of a drainage issue here, but it's alright, there's an alternate path. Oh yeah? Stop and stare! Oh, shit face.
That's my sheer face.
That's your sheer face. That looks good, man. Everyone's swimming up at that one there. Let's go check them out.
Yeah.
Can do, yeah. This must be like a drop-off point or something. I wonder how deep it is. Out of our damn minds.
Let's have this back.
Woo! Cold that!
Ready?
Yeah.
Oh!
Woo!
It's cold as water for me.
Woo! That is frosty. Yes, Vinny!
Yes, Dylan!
Oh, okay.
Rest in peace, the fallen soldier on the path. He nearly made it, man. He was nearly there. Da 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 da.
What are you trying to do?
Da 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 da. Lord of the Rings, man. Smashed out this massive hill.
If you look down there, the little white specks, that's where we started.
And now we're at Pride Rock from Lion King. So, to the top there. This is where Lion King was filmed, in the Peak District. But yeah, we're going to get a couple of action shots. Are you waiting there? Woo! Look at the horns on that fella. We're off-roading. We're in the sheep pens. Look at these steps. Glorious. Go on, Doggo. Look at these stairs, man. What are you thinking on them, Merlin?
Well, I didn't go all the way through, so
I'm liking the style. That is an unreal bit of kit. Look at that. Craftsmanship, that is. It was really hard to talk out there because of the wind on the way back, but we had a wicked swim. Look, it was so good in a waterfall. Yeah, now we're just gonna have something to eat, maybe go grab a beer or something and chill out for a bit. So I'm gonna sign it off there. But yeah, good day, man. Catch you next time. Bye.